Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is a part 2 of this to make this one with a little bit of love and a heart and actually a 3D effect for a laser engraver. So I thought I'd do the second one for maybe a printer. Somebody that's going to print this out. So we're going to take the word love. Let's see how big it is. 22 inches. We'll set our nudge factor on 23. We'll take the text. Well, I got to grab the heart, and we'll get that out of the way and bring the heart back. Now, to do it in color, and all I'm doing is hitting the left arrow key, I'm going to make that blue outline. I'm going to make it, I normally work in not points, but we're going to make it a little bit thicker. Then go to the effects and contour. We're going to contour to the center, but we're going to contour in white at 0.001. And you get that effect. That's pretty cool. Now what you can do, if you like, there's two things you could do. One, you could grab your text and make it white, and then put it in your Word. Go up to Object, Order, Front of Page, and that looks pretty cool within itself. But let's add a little more to it. Let's make a white outline. We cannot see it, but now we're going to contour to the inside, but we're going to contour with that blue. So it's going to do just the opposite. So we're going to nudge it over. And you get that effect. You could use different colors than I picked. That might look pretty good printed, but that's done with the envelope tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.